Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to show you a very funny and very useful and unique product. It's a game power bank. This power bank is charging my phone, but also you can take close to it. Also use it as a game machine. Also use it to play games, because in the front side of the screen, the power bank, there's a screen, and we can use this to have fun, play games with some easy games. You can use these left buttons to move and these right buttons to fire. This is very funny product, and it's called the Core Game Power Bank. It's a 10,000 battery with a 22.5 watt charging, and the design is really game style. It's called Game Power, and the back side is we can transparent design. We can find the coil of the power bank, because it supports the wireless charging here. Wireless charging here, type C, and here we can insert a card, because if it's a card, it have some games. We can also read the games from the card to play games, and also can install something, some files. This is very unique. The first time I saw a product like this, and now I think it's still charging my device. Before it's 35, now it's 40. So it's fast charging, and I think this is also can be very useful and convenient for you charging your smartwatch, smartphone, and also your wireless stereo earbuds. So you can charge your iPod something. So this is very convenient, very useful products. It's called the Game Power Bank. It's very funny, but also very useful, and this first time I saw a product like this. So what do you think of such products? You will buy it because it's really funny. Good. So do you like these products? Make a comment and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Cool.